Hi there, this is Sai Siddharth. So today I'm going to be showing you the review of the JBL mic here. So this is the JBL mic right here. So I'll just be telling you the JBL mic. So the review of the JBL mic covers the pros and cons. First we'll be covering about this JBL speaker, not the mic. Sorry for saying the mic. The second thing is you're going to review the pros and cons, and then let me tell the conclusion whether is it worth it or not. So this one has a speaker actually. So this has a minus button right here and a plus pause button and a plus button. So look in back, it is saying clip 3 just if you do like this. Sorry, it's a bit hard to film while holding a phone. I'm using an iPhone. I've seen this video again. So yeah, if you look at here, just see sorry but guys, so okay, so I'll just wait for a second. Yeah, if you see, this is the okay, I'll just get a better angle. This is the headphone jack, just to see if you can listen or not, and it will also play. I'm pretty sure about that. And this is the cable for charging. So yeah, so this is the Bluetooth connecting, and this is the power on one. So I'm also going to be testing the sound as well. So now we're going to jump into the pros and cons. Okay, so now we are going into the pros section actually. So the pros section is one, it has a very good sound actually. It does sound very well. So yeah, this sounds very well. And the second thing which I liked is the this one right here. This one you can connect it to any bag. I will not it's very hard to handle it while using a camera, so while using a mobile phone particularly. So this is like you can carry it anywhere. You can listen to song as well. The third thing is it is actually it has a third thing is what I liked is that the fact that that I'll just show you a bit if you can hear it or not. If you okay, you will see that it plays that sound. That was very good actually. So the fourth is the build quality. The build quality is very nice, and the last thing is about the display. The display is also nice as well. So I'm not filming the I do not have any cons on this device. So we're going to be testing the speaker on a device. Okay, so the another pro is that I had that like unlike Amazon's Echo Dot where you have to plug it in or doing like that, if you go on a trip, say, it might not be like you can't connect it to a power source, but you can carry this one unless you have charged it actually. So I can charge this through a laptop, which is very interesting. So let me show you the charger right here. 1 second, just 1 second. It's dead. So yeah, okay, so sorry guys, I did actually, so I was looking for the charger. So now I got the charger right here. So this one should connect to the PC or the power supply, like it depends actually. So like if you're using this as a charger, you can use this as a charger, your PC as well. So yeah, like that. So I'll just also be showing you the box what you will be getting inside the JBL mic. Okay, so now moving to the con section. So I have only one con. The one con is that it does not have a virtual assistant like Amazon's Echo Dot. So that's the only con which I have. Okay, so the box looks like this actually. So I'll be just showing you what and all is inside the box, and you'll be getting the speaker, obviously the JBL mic. You'll be getting this wire again, obviously. So yeah, so just take that out again. Okay, let's see. I'll just try my best actually. So yeah, let's see what we can get. So let's see. And I think again it depends. So I'm not filming a book video because it will take 1 or 2 weeks, as you've seen before. So just to mention that. Okay, so we'll be getting a warnings one. I think that must be on like choking hazards, or like it will warn you on the electricity. So you have to be like very careful. I have to always read this guide always. So we will be getting the JBL. Again, this comes in different colors, black, and other colors as well. So it tells you quick start guide. This is actually, so it shows a different color. Mine's red actually. So yeah, it shows you different ones. It shows you in different languages about the Bluetooth versions 4.1. Again, it is also compatible with 5.0. So yeah, so you'll be getting this I think this must be yeah, Harman JBL's I think this must be warranty card, so you'll be getting that. So this is and all what you'll be getting in JBL actually. So this is what you'll be getting. Okay, so now I'm going to be playing a video of mine. I'm using this on an Oppo phone, so I'll be connecting this to Bluetooth. Okay, so I'll be connecting this to Bluetooth. So now, if you want to connect this device to Bluetooth, what you need to do is get this one right here. So it would say disconnected. So what I'm going to do is so I'm going to connect, and should come on. So right now I have JBL Clip 3. It's going to be connecting it. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to be playing a video of mine. So yeah, let's play this one. I'm sure the sound will be good. This is Sai. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the startup system of your Windows. There you go. So yeah, so it does play sound very well, which is good. Should you buy it or not? So yeah, regardless if you're if you like music, or if you just want to play YouTube videos, or it's good as well. So this is a good speaker. I would definitely recommend this. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is Sai signing here for now.